sizokhuluma nge-aura. Ama-colors e-aura nanokuthi achaza ukuthini, nanokuthi if you have a bad aura around you, ungayishintsha kanjani leyo nto. But sizoqala ngokuthi how you can identify ukuthi-ke une-positive or une-negative aura. So we'll talk about ama-colors. Uzoyibona ukuthi imaphi ama-colors asarounde eyakho i-aura. So ngizoqala ngo-red because mina ngu-Divine Red Siren. Maningabheka le enye video yami engiyipost izolo, I did speak about i-aura e-red, and mina I do believe that I have a-red aura because of i-energy engiyikhiphayo and the way abantu abathi mabengibuka mabesense i-energy yami babone ama-characteristics abawa-associate nami are based on my aura. So u-red utshengisa i-stability, utshengisa i-balance, utshengisa i-ambition, utshengisa i-stamina, of which mina nginazo zonke lezo zinto lezo. I do have i-stamina and I do have i-ambition, and I am balanced emotionally. I am balanced emotionally and i-health yami is doing great. Yazi ukuthi you don't fully understand ukuthi-ke ama-emotions akho ne-mental health yakho kuyi-affecta kangakanani i-health until you are i-physical health yakho, until ugoa through something. Ilapho bona khona ukuthi yazi bengingekho right mentally, I was overthinking, bengingekho right emphefumulweni, bengiphatheke kabi. Uthole ukuthi lento ik-affect umzimba, ilowerish i-immune system, ugcine usugula physical. Mina nginezinto engizenzayo ama-practices ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi i-mental health yami, ngisho noma kuthiwa ngibhekana namaphi ama-challenges, it doesn't suffer. I can still show up to my day-to-day things ekufanele ngizenze and ngikwazi ukuthi-ke see them through. I-emotional health yami still nginama-practices to make sure ukuthi i-emotional health yami is strong, and it's usually connected to in spiritual health. That's why ngaso sonke isikhathi I always speak about uklenza, I always speak about ukuxhumana nama-guides, I always speak about ukuthatha iy'nkinga zakho nosizi lakho and you share it with ama-guides akho, with uNkulunkulu. Ungakuthathi uyokushare nabantu nababayixakekelwe yinto zabo, because ama-guides noNkulunkulu are better equipped ukuthi bakuthumele abantu abazokusiza more than wena ozoyikhethela abantu abazokusiza. Wena uzoyikhethela abantu abazothatha advantage nabantu abazokuhleba instead. So that's why mina I believe ukuthi that's why my aura is red. I-aura e-orange ijwayele ukuba around umuntu who is adventurous, umuntu who is thoughtful, and umuntu who is considerate. So usually abantu labo babona obazi as abantu who are thoughtful, adventurous and considerate, yibo laba bane-orange aura, and the orange aura is associated with i-warmth. So yilabantu nje obabona ngazathi umuntu ofudumele nje, onaleyo energy, umbona ngazathi u-nurturing. I-aura e-yellow is-surrounda umuntu who is a creative, umuntu who is friendly, and umuntu who is generally relaxed. Nje labo bantu laba banjalo, umuntu yabona lo muntu oyipholele, lo muntu o-friendly nawo wonke umuntu, nje yabona o-creative futhi ngezinto azenzayo, i-approach yakhe to i-life i-creative, yibo labantu abane-aura e-yellow. I-aura e-yellow isignifya injabulo, i-joy, and also isignifya ukuba nje nogqozu nofuqufuqu for impilo, umuntu oyimisele nje ngempilo yakhe, one-energy nje to attend to i-day-to-day life yakhe. Usually yibo abantu ababa ne-aura e-yellow. Umuntu one-aura e-green is umuntu who is a strong communicator, umuntu who is very social, and umuntu who is nurturing, umuntu okwaziyo like ukhuluma ngomuntu wabantu la, umuntu okwaziyo nje ukuthi-ke angaconnecta with abantu from all walks of life, whether umuntu oconsidera as umuntu who's not doing well empilweni, noma umuntu olapha phezulu oney'mali zakhe onani nani. Lo umuntu one-aura e-green is usually umuntu okwaziyo ukuthi-ke a-navigate through wonke ama-levels and akwazi ukuthi axhumane ngendlela e-right futhi with all people at all levels. I-aura e-green isignify umuntu who is hardworking. Isignify umuntu oxhumene kakhulu nemvelo, umuntu othanda i-nature. Isignifya futhi umuntu ophansi, umuntu who is very grounded. Itshengisa umuntu ongayikhukhumezi, i-aura e-green. I-aura e-blue iba around umuntu who is a free thinker, umuntu who is intuitive, umuntu who is spiritual, umuntu connected to the spiritual. Umuntu nje who is very intuitive. So i-aura e-blue i-indicator ukuba calm, i-indicator ukuba spiritually connected, i-indicator ukuba ne-intuition e-strong, and i-indicator ukuba umuntu othanda ukuthula, umuntu ozwana kakhulu ne-peace. I-aura e-purple or e-violet or e-indigo itshengisa umuntu with a heightened sense of awareness, umuntu nje okwaziyo ukubona izinto, okwazi ukuphika up izinto ayibona ngeso ngeso lenyama nangeso lomoya. Umuntu okwazi ukuphika up on ukushifta kwe-energy, okwazi ukuphika up on ukushintsha komoya womunye umuntu. Yibo-ke labantu laba ababa nale aura le enjena. It's usually umuntu ohlakaniphile, umuntu o-wise, umuntu o-gentle, umuntu futhi also o-spiritually connected, umuntu o-intellectually, and usually umuntu o-independent. Umuntu one-aura e-pink, obviously that's light-hearted. Umuntu o-light-hearted, umuntu onothando oluningi, okwazi nje ukutshengisa uthando, umuntu o-kind, umuntu okwazi ukuphatha kahle abantu, umuntu o-sweet, umuntu onozwelo. So yibo laba ababa ne-aura e-pink. Umuntu one-aura emhlophe, leyo-ke usually it's around children. It's very rare ukuthi ungayithola around umuntu, maybe ungayithola around umuntu o-disabled, but i-aura of umuntu o-pure, yabo umuntu omsulwa nje, unomoya omsulwa. Yilabantu laba aba-clear, bane-clarity, ukubona ukuthi ingane iyazi mayikuthanda, iyazi mayingakuthandi, futhi iyakwazi ukukutshela nezizathu zokuthi wayingayifuni into, wayingayifuni ithanda into. Ayicabangi kaningi nje, i-very straightforward ingane. So yibo laba abane-aura e-pink. Umuntu who is spiritually aligned, yabona umuntu othi ongakafundi consumerism nama-capitalism, umuntu nje osa-enjoy impilo for impilo nje. Yibo laba abane-aura emhlophe, abantu abamsulwa, abangakafuni izinto zomhlaba, abangakayi-identify ngezinto zomhlaba. I-aura emnyama obviously it's associated with depression, with i-anger, with ama-negative feelings nje, with inzondo, with yonke nje into embi esingayicabanga, lama-emotions angasiphathi kahle. Those are usually associated with i-aura emnyama. So also umuntu lo ohlale eyivikele, ohlale eyidefenda ngaso sonke isikhathi, yibo labantu usually aba-emitha i-aura emnyama. And then i-aura e-grey eyomuntu ohlale neutral, it doesn't matter ukuthi kwenzakalani, athathi masayidi, hhayi ngeni nje, umuntu ongathandi ukuyi-involve kakhulu ey'ntweni. Ngisho noma kuthiwa uniyamdinga ukuthi akayi-involve, uvele nje angayingeni. Futhi also umuntu one-aura e-black, umuntu onama-unresolved emotions kakhulu. So nje umuntu osafanele adile nezinto ey'ningi ezenzeka kudala oloko eyi-avoida, wuye umuntu ojwayele ukuba ne-aura emnyama. Umuntu one-aura e-brown, umuntu o-selfish, umuntu ohlale ey'cabangela yena ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi into mayeyenza yena usuke ezozuzani kuleyo nto leyo azoyenza, even if it's for the greater good of omunye umuntu, anendaba, ufuna ukwazi ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi yena uzobhenefithani. Ilabantu laba aba-insecure, umuntu ongayithembi, umuntu ohlale ey'ngabaza ngaso sonke isikhathi, une-self-doubt, ngaso sonke isikhathi uhlale nama-negative expectations ngempilo, and umuntu ose-experience ama-personal struggles kakhulu. So nje umuntu one-negative outlook on impilo, uye loyo ojwayele ukuba ne-brown aura. I-aura emnyama, obviously, it's associated with depression, with anger, with ama-negative feelings nje, with inzondo, with yonke nje into embi esingayicabanga, lama-emotions angasiphathi kahle. Those are usually associated with i-aura emnyama. So also, umuntu lo ohlale eyivikele, ohlale eyidefenda ngaso sonke isikhathi, yibo labantu usually aba-emitha i-aura emnyama. And then i-aura e-grey eyomuntu ohlale neutral, it doesn't matter ukuthi kwenzakalani, akathathi masayidi, hhayi ngeni nje, umuntu ongathandi ukuyi-involve kakhulu ey'ntweni, ngisho noma kuthiwa uniyamdinga ukuthi akayi-involve, uvele nje angayingeni. Futhi also umuntu one-aura e-black umuntu onama-unresolved emotions kakhulu. So nje umuntu osafanele adile nezinto ey'ningi ezenzeka kudala olokhu eyi-avoid-a, wuye umuntu ojwayele ukuba ne-aura emnyama. Umuntu one-aura e-brown umuntu o-selfish, umuntu ohlale ey'cabangela yena ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi into mayeyenza yena usuke ezozuzani kuleyo nto leyo azoyenza, even if it's for the greater good of omunye umuntu, akanendaba, ufuna ukwazi ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi yena uzobhenefithani. Ila bantu laba aba-insecure, umuntu ongayithembi, umuntu ohlale ey'ngabaza ngaso sonke isikhathi, une-self-doubt, ngaso sonke isikhathi uhlale nama-negative expectations ngempilo, and umuntu ose-experience ama-personal struggles kakhulu. So nje umuntu one-negative outlook on impilo, uye loyo ojwayele ukuba ne-brown aura. Yabona, ukushintsha i-aura yakho kulula futhi kunzima, so but-ke it's doable. First of all, you have to address your spiritual life. You have to cleanse. You have to break ama-soul ties to abantu aba-negative nabantu ongasabadingi empilweni yakho. Ama-soul ties, it's not just about abantu obuthandana nabo noma abantu owahlangana nabo ngocansi. Ama-soul ties, you break them with your family members. You break them with abangani bakho bakudala enahlukana ngoba nanisexabana nihlebana kuyiyo yonke leyo nto leyo. You have to break. It's not enough just ukuthi-ke umbloke umuntu, but uyayikhola back yonke i-energy yakho owawuyigiva into whatever relationship owawunayo with that friend, with that family member, and with that lover. So you have to break soul ties. You have to call your energy back. Uwazi nje ukuthi umkhiphile through and through loyo muntu empilweni yakho, and ustrengthenishe your spiritual connection to your guides and to God. You have to do ama-cleansing rituals. Fanele uyicleanse, ubakhiphe nabo empilweni yakho, ubakhiphe ku-energy yakho, and make sure ukuthi-ke uyaxola ngazo zonke izinto ezenzeka kuwe, uwenze sure ukuthi uyarelease, and you believe ukuthi manje from here on out you will be calling in positive karma and positive energy and positive affirmations. Uyitshela izinto ezi-right, have a spirit of gratitude. That's how you change your aura. Ukuthi-ke ukwazi ukubonga, uyicabangele, uyinakekele, uhlale in a space esi-clean. It's very important ukuthi-ke you must have a clean space, because how can you vibrate high and have a clean aura, aura with all positive colors if uhlale kungcoleni? It's one of the things ezehlisa umoya, ezehlisa i-energy yakho, i-positive energy ezik-attractela ama-negative energies and negative attachments. So you have to absolutely look out for leyo nto leyo. And in order to ukuthi-ke u-cleanse i-aura yakho, you have to limit or abstain from ama-substances akudunga ingqondo. I know ukuthi-ke kumnandi ukuphuza, kuba nama-outings, but leso state usukukuso esikudunge ingqondo, it's one of the things ezikudalela ama-negative attachments. Uphumile wahamba laphayana, wafike kwaba khona i-spirit esibe sifike osubuye sesi-attacheke kuwe. You didn't even realize, because wena ubuphuzile noma ubheme i-substance ekudunga ingqondo, ubona izinto zakho seyiqala zibheda noma izinto zakho ingasahambi kahle, kanti it's lama attachments osukuwathole ey'ndaweni ezi-low vibrational, lapho esijwayele ukuya khona mangabe sithi sifuna ukuyophola, sifuna ukuyoyijabulisa. Yilapho ama-negative spirits afike ayi-attache khona kithi, because those are low vibrational places where low vibrational people hang out, and low vibrational spirits are comfortable in those areas. barriers, uyithole usuyi-addict, awusakwazi ukuthi uqede i-weekend ungaphuzile, ungabbhemile, ungakwenzanga ukuthi, kanti it's those negative attachments owawathola lapho wawuye khona nalabantu owawuhlala nabo, lama-conversations enaniwaxoxa and the things you are participating in zikhoza ama-addictions, zikhoza ukuthi ube low vibrational, wenza izinto that you wouldn't necessarily be proud of if omunye umuntu engezwe ukuthi wena you participated in such actions. So ezinye izinto lezi ezi-altarisha i-aura yethu ukuthi-ke ibe bad, and futhi ezisenza ukuthi sibe ama-low vibrational people, unfortunately.